Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. My people, I want to take in the video clip here with Mark Golding. Listen to this.
By Everell Warmington's own admission on a public political platform, the push to make Portmore a parish is not about bringing any new benefits to the people of Portmore. Oh no. It is all about the Jamaica Labour Party seeking to gain control of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation and also to change the Portmore boundaries to benefit their political chances.
My viewers and subscribers, wanna hear what Mark Golding say. Alright. Wanna hear what him say, my people. Wanna listen keenly. Hear more.
Portmore is uniquely democratic, as it is the only city municipality in Jamaica. And this special status allows Portmore's residents to directly elect their own mayor. This must not be changed unless the people of Portmore have made that decision. So this trick about parish status is mere manipulation for the Jamaica Labour Party's partisan political objectives, with no proper consultation to give the people of Portmore a say in the matter.
I saw them steer. My viewers and subscribers, I saw them steer. I saw Andrew Wallace and the administration like we just get up and do as they please. They not give a toss about nobody. Hear more.
We must all ask, where are the hospital, the market, the cemetery, the civil and criminal courts, and the other facilities that would have to be in place for Portmore to become a bona fide parish? They do not exist, and there's no plan or funding in place for that to happen.
So when I hear my viewers and subscribers, when I hear they want to come up with a different parish and they have no resources, because obviously, if you create basically another parish, you have to have hospitals, you have to have courthouse, you have to have all these type of things. So this is what Mark Golding is trying to show. How comes then I have none of that? It's a trick, me people. A trick. And only come for trick everybody. Hear this.
So don't be hoodwinked. Time come to protect Portmore's special status. And time come to let the people of Portmore decide their own future.
Yes, Mark Golding, I agree. Time come. Time come. My people on the ear, because it makes sense what Mark Golding is saying. It does make sense. Andrew Wallace and the administration and a general them. A general, it's when them look, it's when they do for them research and then look, them a think how to make more money. That's all it is. And the administration do not care about nobody, because you say you want a 15 parish, a 14 parish, and you want add on an extra one, and you have nothing in place. Nothing in place. Yeah? Plus no funding in place. My people, want to tell me what I really think about this, because this is why I not understand why some people are saying Andrew Holness is doing good. I think people only listen to what other people are say. You understand, by word of mouth, like if they end up on the road and people just say Andrew Holness I do this and do that, them just a follow. But really and truly, they don't have no idea. They don't know the root of this thing. You understand? They only call themselves labor right, but they not follow up nothing. You understand what I mean, my people? And it is wrong. Why them want decide for Portmore? Why they want to come up with a decision and Portmore not have no say in this? Make it make sense to me. This is why I come on my platform. I'm talking things them. I'm not care who want vex. I'm not care who want disrespect me. Who can disrespect me? Me no know only, Me not talk my lovely subscribers and me not talk my good up viewers and my good up subscribers. When you hear me I lick out, me not talk about uno. Me I talk about the labor right them, the die-hearted them. Because I have whole heap of good labor right, We see what Android do, and them not like it. But me I talking licky, nyami, one them, the hungry belly one them. We always come over and go like, uno can't diss me. Uno can't diss me no time at all. Uno can't diss me because when me talk, me not take it back. None of uno can disrespect me. Uno can go come and down a fake page in a me comment section and run off on the mouth. But uno a fool. Remember me tell uno that. Because uno no love uno self. If uno say Andrew Holness is doing a good job, uno don't love uno self. And uno no love uno pitney them. Yeah. Because how can you say Andrew Holness is doing well for the country? Huh? Is Andrew doing well for what? What country? All Andrew Holness do is taking money. I don't can't see that. The last time when local election for call, him saying I have no money for call local election, but he have money. Him have money for this conference. You know say what Andrew Holness do? Notice the MP them. Yeah, how they out on the road and make a bus them come in because of something with them plan. Them plan it. Them plan and pay the people. Them a whole heap of people come out and talk. You understand? You don't need to stop buy. You don't need to stop buy people. You understand? This is why Jamaica I go just doom. And una go see it happen right in front of our face. Andrew Holness is a good prime minister, really and truly. Andrew Holness make them rise up. Yeah, that the flag there, the rainbow flag there over Jamaica. That is a disrespect to Jamaicans. Jamaica is a Christian country. That is a big disrespect. We not condone them to something there. We don't want them to something there in a few country. You understand? And from see Andrew Holness allow the America embassy rise at the flag them know where them depend. I remember saying come over, pan Good Morning Britain, and tell them say. Obviously, he's going to legalize that. You know when me attack my people, sometimes me don't want, you understand, go too much in it. But if you don't follow me, you don't understand where me I come from. You tell Good Morning Britain, because me can drag on the memory, my people. Who remember, who watch that, him tell them, so them are going to legalize it. Yeah, the rainbow. And it is not right. Listen, if people want to do it, whatever they want to do, me not have a problem. You understand? But it's a disrespect to a country to do that. I think, what the man name? Bruce Golding? Bruce Golding was the one that said not in his cabinet. Him go up on the same Good Morning Britain. Yeah, Bruce Golding. And him say not in his cabinet. I think it was Bruce Golding. I'm not pretty sure. More have to drag back that video, them people. Yeah, but Andrew Holness want that in a film cabinet, my people. So that's why him allow America Embassy for raise up flag, really and truly. And and uno Christian people sit down and come talk about Andrew Holness is doing good, my Prime Minister. And I do not for from him allow them for rise up them the rainbow flag there. Uno know where Andrew Holness depend. Uno not forget, remember say Andrew Holness was the same one come out say I'm going to legalize Obia, Uno remember that? Hey, don't make me drag on the memory, Uno do not make me drag on the memory, Because Andrew Holness did come out when he win the election, I first thing he say, he might go legalize Obia. Them something that is wrong. My people, tell me what you think. You understand? Because really and truly, them have something up them sleeve about Portmore. It's a trick. It is a trick, my people. You understand? And if you don't follow up things, you won't know. So me not really appear the little scribble. The scribble them. You understand? Me not appear no mind because you don't have no damn sense. You no hungry belly like. You don't have no sense. That's why you come and chat shit. Hey, me always I go talk the truth and rights. Who do not like it, you don't come over here, so. You go over the one them where Andrew Holness them buy out for the $10,000 US dollar or over there, so you go. You don't come over here because me I got done, You understand me? My people, tell me what you think because Andrew Holness is not doing good for the country. It is all a pretense. You understand? It's a trick. He is a trickster and he's a genial, my people. And you should have know that by now. Only thing Andrew Holness interested in are money. You know, care about we Jamaican people. See, they have them big conference. And the next day, you see what going up a Mountain View? You see what going up a Mountain View? And you have the famous baker up a Mountain View. Always take out for your phone and a video. I'll know me not hear she has said nothing about it. When them fi come out and talk about and talk for poor people. Yeah, then I come for talk. Hey, you not make me start over here. So my people, you tell me what you think. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. You see when me come and me talk, a truth and facts me talk. I'm in a bad mind no girl, I'm in a bad mind no boy, because some of them, when time you talk the things them and you talk your mind, the first thing then come up and run off them out and say you bad mind them. You understand? Not because people not come on social media and show them house and show how much money they make. Means that they not have it. And means that they bad mind. Some people don't have wisdom. And that me I tell you now. Don't have wisdom. My viewers and subscribers, just storm up the comment section for me. Make me know how you feel about this, what Mark Golding said. Alright? And put an honest opinion in the comment section for me. Anyway, you need to hear this. I see names for Petrojam employees in latest report. Integrity Commission names 4 Petrojam employees in the latest investigative report. All right, now, stick up in. Wanna see how the one Juliet she stay. Wanna see how this a report here, a table out in the public before the 60th. At the 60th, you want to know about. Una come tell you about the Petrojam that come after. The 60th was the one that came out first. That was the report that came out first, the 60th. So how comes Una jump from the 60th and I go over to Petrojam employee? No. No. Una see how Juliet Holness stay? My viewers and subscribers, to all me see it, Juliet is very deceitful. You understand? When I try showing her she is, and she need to be removed. We have the 60th. The 60th was the first report that came out. So how comes now una can name out Petrojam? We want una to name out the 60th. It's since as how Juliet Holness says, since as how you allow this. You see how you allow the Petrojam name to call out. So we want the 60th name to call out. We no business about the Petrojam that come after. Because me no know, me can't understand. How comes then jump from 60th, when at the 60th first, name for call out. Then after, you can call out Petrojam. You is very deceitful for your Madam Speaker, and it is not right. They need to remove you. Hey, my people, they need to remove Juliet Holness. It is wrong. This is wrong on all levels, my people. You can't imagine. I see report, name. I go name the 4 Petrojam. No, another 4 Petrojam we want to hear about. We want to hear about the 60th. And me not stop talk about it. And enough of uno go on like uno don't know what go on. Yeah, remember say the Integrity Commission, come out and talk, Say 6 people under investigation, my people. Remember, and me say, and them say so, You understand? And from you now declare your asset, you know what that mean, From you now declare your asset, that means say, una hide something. That means say some robbing up a money go on. Hey, we are not eat that. I mean, I'm pretty it up. Like how other people pretty it up. This is why I say 60th. You understand? For you declare your asset, obviously, that's something you hide. You never spend the money how you're supposed to spend it. And it get thief up. Or no thief up the money. So me now go come over here and talk no and use no big words. Me I go drop it like it's at rah. Me I give you the 60th. You understand? There's a 60th in the JLP. Then did come out, Mark Golding talk about it. The Integrity Commission talk about it. So if you don't know, me tell you no, it is out. This is why me I talk about it, because me not like what I want. Me not like what Juliet do. My viewers and subscribers, don't know sister show Juliet and show we off track about them and name out like the public interested in that. We're not interested in that. We want to know about the 60 for in a phone cabinet. Call out the name. My people, wanna tell me what you think. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section for me there. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome my people. A big warm welcome to everybody that has been liking my video, sharing my video, and subscribing to my channel. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.